Hey guys, just wanted to give you a sneak peek of what we're going to be doing on the next Ranger Auto video. I got our new wiring harness for our Focus. I'm going to show you this little bit of awesome over here too. So yeah, we got our new radiator. Came from the pull part. And we got our on our last Ranger video with the Focus, we had to take the cooler off. And I can show you exactly how I did it because it is not as easy. Actually, it's a lot easier than I thought it was. We got our new cooler on. It's hidden underneath the tarp. Can't see it till the next video. We also got our new bumper. Peep the new bumper. Yes, I said peep. I'm going to get caught on it in the comments. Don't really care. So there's our new bumper. Color match just like the other one. We got lucky out there at the pull part. They had two red Focuses, same color as ours. So we picked the best one. We still need a AC condenser and a cooling fan setup. So we're going to get it as far as we can with those pieces missing. So stay tuned for the next episode, guys, and we'll see you then.